Guys, it's super. It's like,
I'll be like that.
guys, it's dark outside. Guys, we're going to watch or pop some fireworks. And I'm still in Indianapolis, guys. I'm leaving the weekend after the one that's coming up. Ready?
What's wrong with y'all?
Ellis.
You came in the door. You should have had it closed.
We're going,
Other thing for it.
guys, we're going to watch the fireworks. Oh my gosh, there's some right now.
Guys, hey guys, we're gonna be watching fireworks. And we have fireworks.
They're coming from every angle. I'm going to record it like this.
Oh boy! Look at that moon!
Look at the moon, guys. The werewolves are going to start coming out soon. Right, Ellis? Oh! What is... Get in the car, he said. I called dibs on front. Dang it. Come on, Mallory. Come on.
I heard them. I keep hearing them.
Here's the camera to be this way.
Nah.
It's not your phone, Ellis.
All right, I'm about to give it to you.
If it's not his phone, you don't need to give it to him.
It's a camera.
It's a phone
We put it here.
with a
So
camera.
guys, we're about to do this, and we got fireworks in the house. See, we got fireworks in our house, and yeah, we're going to the fireworks, and I don't know where we're going to because they're everywhere. They're extremely everywhere. So I don't actually know because I can't hear it. Okay. Oh. So we'll be doing a lot of things. We'll be watching fireworks, making sure we do a lot of things. So yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Let's say hey. Hey guys. We watching a firecrackers. Pop.
You don't know what to say, Mallory?
She was trying to get the word. She was trying to say pop. She half forgot it. I don't know how. So, guys, we are. I don't know. I forgot what to say, but you know, we're in the car. We jamming. So don't get us wrong. We're gonna get knocked out.
You mean we gonna be knocked out sleep?
Like
Oh snap!
what?
You too. Before they can get it back to you.
You mean we gonna be knocked
Put your hand back here again.
Boy.
Here, I'm about to give it to you. Here, get it. Oh, look, they're going already.